All right, we are in the final stages, chapter 15, and we are doing mean, median, and mode. So you are in the statistics chapters, and all statisticians do is they make lists of data, and then they try to make sense of that data. And the easiest way to make sense of it is by looking at the mean, the median, and the mode. All right, so let's get right to it. Here you go. These are the grades on a chemistry test. They're all jumbled and out of order. So one of the ways that a statistician can make sense of it is they make a stem and leaf plot. This is very easy to do. You look at the numbers and they range from a low of 54 to, I believe, a high of 95. So the stem would be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then as we go along, we'll take the first piece of data, which is 90, and we will put a 0 there. Get it? 90. The next one's 95. So we'll put the 5 there. 84. Go to stem of 8, a leaf of 4. 85. Stem of 8, leaf of 5. And we will go through that and do it to all pieces of data up there. So just to save us some time, magically disappear, and we magically appear with everything written out as a stem and leaf. And if you notice, what I did also was I put them in order afterwards. So 90, 90, 92, 95. And then when I got all the 8s done, I put them in order. So it may do double work, but it is better in the end. Another thing you can do is a frequency distribution table. Again, I saw that I went from a low of 54 to a high of 95. So I could do something like this. I could say, okay, all the grades from 90 to 99, and then all the grades from 80 to 89, from 70 to 79, from 60 to 69, and from 50 to 59. Notice everything is the same. If I subtract, I get a difference of 9 in each one of these intervals. And then I can just go through the table, and Fi means frequency. Okay, so how many grades were there from 90 to 99? Well, I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there were 4 grades. And then I would go and do all the 80s. And I have them over here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 70s were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 60s were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 1 grade there between 50 and 59. All right, so now a statistician has the data so that he can read it somehow, some way. Now he wants to make sense of it. He wants to look at the mean, median, and the mode. So I'm going to borrow my stem and leaf here. Let's bring that to the next page. So the data's in order, and notice the key word, in order. That means I have it going in numerical order, from highest to lowest, or from lowest to highest. In this case, I started with my lowest number, and I went to my highest number. Wow. All right. Mean is the average. That's not hard to do at all. Hopefully we know that means you add them all up and divide by how many there are. So I would add all these numbers up, 54 plus 66 plus 67 plus 67 plus 68 plus 74 plus 75 plus 76 plus 78, blah, blah, blah. I'd add those all together, and I would divide by the fact that there were 20 grades. And my mean would be 79.45. Okay, median. That's the measure in the middle. Once again, here's all my data in order, and this is how I do median. I'm going to start by crossing off the lowest with the highest. And notice that, yes, I did make my marks backwards. And to make this go a little faster, I'm going to cancel them in groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4 low ones will go with 1, 2, 3, 4 high ones. 4 low ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 will cancel with 4 high ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, that leaves me with the numbers 82 and 84. So the median is the one in the middle. What number is in between 82 and 84? 83. Okay, and mode is the most occurring piece of data. We have 54, 66. Okay, we got two 67s. 74, 75, 76, 78, 82, 84. Oh, we got two 85s. And we got two 90s. So there is a tie for the mode. There's 67, 85, and 90. That's called being bimodal, when there's more than one mode.